Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the immediate causes. Open battery and identify the top 3 power hogs so you know where to act. Once done, make sure your Infinix is on the latest system OTA and that all apps are updated. Outdated software often leaks power. Restart the phone, then boot into safe mode to see if drain persists without third-party apps. This separates software faults from deeper issues before you change settings or remove apps. Now you optimize the device. Turn off background sync for non-essential accounts and disable location and Bluetooth when idle, because continual polling consumes CPU and radio time. Next, reduce the display impact by switching to 60Hz or the lowest refresh available and lower brightness with a 30-second screen timeout. The screen is usually the biggest drain. Then restrict or uninstall the apps flagged earlier, or replace them with light versions, because app wake locks and background services are frequent culprits. To finish, you perform a battery calibration. Charge to 100%, use the phone until it reaches about 5%, then charge uninterrupted to full. This helps the system estimate capacity correctly. Check battery health in settings. If the reported capacity is below 80%, plan for battery replacement because aging cells cause rapid drain. If problems continue after these steps, back up your data and do a factory reset, and if that fails, consult an authorized service center for diagnostics and hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.